Khoblai phibara sasinpat kajing pentip shapi yaki khobar laikam palapmi daka MPSC Meghalaya Public Service Commission te kalapanmi hadu onrup huwaitali pos halakijong ki department badia kini pos bapi aban apply kandai yaki balapas yaka kelas 10 12 bat graduate sajrong kiyo ban apply te sampai jagani ka video hadu banakot kenang bapin suthu kambanya hakbaidai bat kini pos dia kan notis 8 haka katkana tarik Desember arajar arpusau teka MPSC Meghalaya Public Service Commission kelakot online application yaki badai ki citizen ki badai hapo ka ri India teki kandidat ki bak apply yakini pos kidai bandon yaka qualification ki babiang ban apply yakini pos haswa bapin submit yaki application ki jongpi te ya kelas date bakhadu bakin pedang yaki application kandai hadu ka putrik Januari arajar arpusan batkim pedang lada hitam yaka tarik balabu candidate are requested to check and update their profile before applying ki candidate ki bakwa ban apply yakini pos ki haban check lane update yaka profile ka jongpi haswa bapin apply namar kadai kaju ka website bapi apply yaki wiki pos ki bahap hapo ka MPSC name of post and department Inspector of Excise in the Office of the Commissioner of Excise pay scale level 11 of revised pay structure nang taka educational qualification graduate in any stream from any recognized university pidai pendap yaka graduate hakano ka stream hakano ka university papi pule UR atliki pos kasi jantia sautliki pos garo santli OSTSC iwi pos total kalong artli baro kapos baar primary investigator computer under the Directorate of Economics and Statistics pay scale level 5 of revised pay structure graduate with statistics economic mathematics or commerce as one of the subject combinations will get the advance increments kibala pendep yaka graduate haka statistics economic mathematics lane commerce kawai na pedang kinek subject teya kajing seu kila ban penkeu katkum ka kedan pule kajongpi nang taka educational qualification HSLC or equivalence examination with mathematics statistics or economic as one of the subject pidai mempendep yaka kelas 12 sejrong harengkat ka subject kumka mathematics statistics lane economics UR sautuliki pos kas jentia nyutuliki pos hinlang ki sport person iway garo ndutuliki pos include one sport person OSTSC iway total kalong karpratali baro kapus balai field assistant under the Directorate of Economics and Statistics pay scale level 4 of revised pay structure HSLC PUC CL 12 pass haka subjek statistik economic lane commerce kawai na penengkine ka subjek kila ban penkeu yaka jingseu halaki kerdan papi pule nang taka educational qualification SSLC or equivalence with mathematics as one subject pidai pendep yaka kelas 10 sajrong haringkat ka subjek mathematics batpidir bandon ka jingtip syapang kaktin kasi yantia lane garo hakbaidai bat kini pos UR santliki pos kasi jantia katli kipus, garo, arteli, OST, esi, arteli, total, kalong, lifeway, baro. Nang takas nem, kadai khatpra hadu life asnem, lakhen lang bat ka age relaxation, nakamata ki ST, SC candidate. Jong kapus banikong, padya kapus kebaar, kadai khatpra hadu life punyosnem, tiya kaneru lakhen lang bat ka age relaxation. Bat ka age relaxation yaki PWDS, bat halaki jong gijong, hadu sipusnem, badya ki SC ST candidate, kadai hadu kartansnem, bat kumta terter. Mar baki lapi halaki jong gijong ki age relaxation. Nang ta ka application fee yakin kipus, banikong, lais paran fotingka, kapus baar bat balai, lais par fotingka, badya ngi ki SC ST candidate, ki badai permanen hapo gajala mekhalia, ki haban sew marsiteng. Badya ki PWDS, pat omdon kam ban sew. Nang ta ka method of selection. Karu ten exam nakamta kapus banikong, ki subject kalong, ki subject kilong, general English sispa mark, general knowledge and aptitude sispa mark, arithmetic class 10 level sispa mark, total kalong laispa. Baca ki question kandai multiple choice question. Jong kapus baar, pat ki subject kalau kilong, general English sispa mark, general knowledge, pat aptitude sispa mark, economics, mathematics, statistics sispa mark, total kalong sispa total kalong laispa. Jong kapus balai ki subject kidai, general English sispa mark, general knowledge sispa mark, mathematics class 10 level sispa mark, total kadai laispa. Teki dan halaki jong ki written exam yakini kipus. Te sapan krek bha bat pule bha yaki kot, nang bapin la bha yaka written exam. Bat kan don ru ka personal interview, anda pila qualify yaka written exam. Te ngangej pila suthu bha hakabedai bakini kipus, badya ki wiki jing tonkam, kublai sibon, ngin se 4.